In the wake of the heavy snow that came through overnight, we are now seeing a messy, wintry mix setting up around the city and nearby suburbs. There was a little bit of a lull, and now we are back to more messy precipitation and more treacherous travel. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on out there right now. I want to show you the city of Philadelphia. So this is Logan Square, the Ben Franklin Parkway, snow covered, and roads have been treated. But here's the concern: any sidewalks. So basically, if they came through and plowed out that sidewalk but did not put salt down, it is now raining. Temperatures at the surface are below freezing, so any of that rain is going to freeze on contact. Your sidewalks, your front steps, your walkways will be a sheet of ice in the city. Now, up in the Lehigh Valley, we're going to see additional snowfall. Look at Main Street in Bethlehem, looking pretty snow covered right now. There's not a ton of snow falling as we speak, but we do expect more to make its way into the Lehigh Valley through the mid-morning into midday time frame. Right now in Philadelphia, here's the problem: it is raining and it is 28 degrees. Terrible combination. 28 degrees at the surface, below freezing, but rain is falling as liquid thanks to warm air that's kind of moved in just above the surface. So it's falling as rain, and then it's freezing on contact on top of that snow or on top of any cleared but untreated surface. And it is going to lead to dangerous conditions out there, especially on side streets and also on your front steps and walkways and things like that. So again, you can see another strip of precipitation has redeveloped, extending basically from southern New England, where snow is coming down at a good clip, right into our area. And as we sweep the region, you can see right now, anywhere you see that pink and even the purple looked like sleet, but we can tell you we were just out on the sky deck. It is raining in Philadelphia. This is ice and freezing rain, and at least a few hundredths of an inch of ice likely to accrete on surfaces, on power lines possibly. Hopefully we won't get enough to knock out power, but we will keep you posted on that. Slick conditions will continue with some snow redeveloping areas north and west of the city. Let's talk about how much snow fell, though. It was the first real snowfall in almost 2
dealing with, and let's hear from Kate on what we can expect now and throughout the rest of the day. Kate.
Natasha, this is a mess still this morning. So we had the snow. Everyone was excited about the snow. Not everyone, but especially the kids were excited about 2, 3, as much as 4 inches of snow in Delaware County. But now we are seeing rain and freezing rain and ice, which is taking that snow and making it kind of a slushy mess across much of the region, especially from the city on south and east. Now, north and west, we are still seeing a little bit of snow. I've been watching this Plymouth meeting camera, and it is snow, I think, mixing with a little sleet and rain right now. You can kind of see the precipitation as it falls. Does not look like pretty snow right now, but we're seeing at least a little snow mixed in those farther north and western zones. Got to show you this shot, our first snowman in 715 days, courtesy of my children who were out in the backyard making a snowman. Not the best snowman making snow. I think he's got rocks and branches for eyes and buttons, but you make do with what you have. So shout out to my kids for getting out there and making the snowman before the freezing rain started up. And that's what we're looking at right now. So this is not over yet. And basically, in true Philly fashion, we couldn't just get a nice little snowstorm and get it out of here. Now we have this messy, freezing rain, sleet, and drizzle mess, and this will continue at least into midday. Look at this bright pink. That's where likely it is raining, falling on top of the snow, and ice concerns are going to be with us at least into the lunch hour. We also have some snow falling north and west of the city, up across Upper Bucks, Montgomery, and Chester counties. But in Philadelphia right now, it is freezing rain, and we're seeing a layer of ice developing on railings, on sidewalks, on any untreated surface, on your car's windshield likely. So you probably don't want to get the snow off just yet. You want to wait until the freezing rain is over with. To the northwest, up toward Lower Providence Township, Abington, right up the northeast extension right now, you've got snow falling. A couple of snow reports to point out, just a couple of totals here. Had about 4 inches here in parts of Delaware County, Bethel Township, 3.2 in Delaware, and then 2.6 just north and west of Philadelphia. We remain under a winter weather advisory until 1 o'clock. And again, you can see light freezing rain and freezing drizzle through at least midday, with likely a little bit more snow to the north and west. So through early afternoon, we can expect a light glaze of ice around the city, another inch or two of snow far northwest, but icy and slippery roads will continue, followed by a blast of cold and then a chance to see another system, which will bring another chance for light snow by Friday. Let's talk about that coming up in just a bit. And coming up, I'll tell you why you should hold off on shoveling the snow that's out there right now. I'm going to send